Okay, one last selector that I want to show you. We're almost done here. Thanks for hanging in there. Is what's called a pseudo selector, and it looks like this. So I'm gonna start with a tag. I'm gonna be selecting a tags, and then I'm gonna put a colon here and type in hover, and then come my curly braces. So what I'll do here is I'll set the background color. Whoops. To yellow, I guess. I don't know where I'm colorblind. Did I mention that already? Okay. Anyways, this selector here, whoops, this selector here will target A elements that are in a hover state. So when you see the colon inside of a selector, that's called a pseudo selector. I don't know why they call it that, but what it does is it only targets the element that's in a certain state. And in this state, we're concerned with the hover state, and that means when the mouse is hovering over it. So we're going to set the background color to yellow on A elements when they're being hovered over. So you can get real specific with these selectors. So let's put an A element on our page so we can see this working here. So I'm going to scroll on down to the HTML, and I'll put an A element here, and I'm just going to set the href to a pound sign. That basically makes it not go to anywhere, and then I'll just put this is a link like that. I'm going to save it, press Control S, and Alt tab back over to the browser here and hit refresh. There's my hyperlink. I'm going to hover over it, and you can see that it gets the background color of yellow when I hover over it. And so pseudo selectors allow you to target elements that are in a certain state, and you'll learn more about those states, what they can be, as you learn about CSS. We're not going to get into them too much in this course.